You telling him to go to sleep?
No.
Say, watch this. What did you say? Did you say, Mommy, watch this?
Let's take our backpack in case we need our clown.
What are you doing?
Good idea.
What are you doing, crazy girl? I think Daddy's sleeping. He's sleeping.
You woke me up.
It's too dark.
Go sit.
Okay, no night, Lily. No night.
The chipmunk trail is colored green, yellow, and brown.
You crazy girl. Are you trying to grab the light? Is that what you're doing?
Hey, Gooby.